Hello, this is Karnam Prelko of class 10th B studying in Kendra Vidyalaya Volta. Despite the differences in language and culture, we are still one nation. Rather than designate any one language as the nation's standardized tongue, it makes more sense to invest in the development to other regional languages and thus prevents India's multiculturalism through multilingualism. There is a popular aphorism that depicts India's linguistic diversity. Rather, world has approximately 113 million native speakers, the larger part, 80.5 million, as of 2017 are in Pakistan, where Punjabi has more speakers than any other language, but no official recognition at the national or provisional level in India. As for 2011, it has official status in state of Punjab. The language is spoken among a significant over as diaspora, particularly in Canada, the United States, and the United Kingdom. In India, Punjabi is written using Gurumukhi script, while Shahmukhi script is used in Pakistan. Punjabi is unusual among Indo-Aryan languages in its use of lexical tone, as it have 28 states and 8 union territories. There are many varieties of cultures which represented by different states and territories, though they are different linguistic culture and religion of people from different parts of our country. We the citizens of India still used to united the common goal. Thank you. This is Karnam Prelko of class 10P Kendra Vidyalaya Volta.